a test drive of this 2023 GMC Savana van. So again, when you want to shift into gear, again, classic old school shift lever, you want to go ahead and shift that down, and you have very analog, very straightforward. I guess it tells you what gear you're in. So now we're going to drive, and let's see what this is about. So again, one thing that I really loved about this car was just it's just really simple, very easy to drive. Everything is just made for like the average individual, and again, 5 minutes in, I was just very comfortable driving this pretty long Savana that's been converted by U-Haul to move cargo. I felt like this industrial area was a great place to film and record, because again, this is the duty of many of the Savanas on the road today, is to help again move cargo or people. So right now this car is equipped with the V6 motor, which is definitely enough power. I mean, it's not going to knock your shoes off, but again, it definitely gets the job done. And if you do want the option of a little bit more power, there is an option of, again, that LS V8 pushing out almost 400 horsepower and able to pull up to almost 10,000 pounds. So here we go. Again, it's pretty smooth. You can definitely move probably like essentially back there, probably big. Again, this is a U-Haul. You can probably move the entire 1-bedroom apartment at a lot of weight with the V6, and it's still good. The suspension is exactly what you suspect it to be. It's really bouncy, it's really soft, but I assume, again, this is a work truck. This is not a race car, and the bouncy suspension allows to compensate for all the heavy weight and heavy passengers that the Savana is tasked with moving. And again, it does the job well, because it's been doing that job with almost the same suspension for the past 30-40 years. Again, the steering wheel is very comfortable. For the size of this thing, again, parking is surprisingly not too bad. In last week's video, we had the C8 Corvette, and I was telling you guys about how one of the biggest cons about that car was the rear view, which is essentially no rear view, and it was very dangerous. And essentially, what's odd is that I guess the Corvette's bigger, older, more responsible, I guess, cousin, the GMC Savana, the rear view, even though like the cargo area is really gigantic, it's you can actually really maneuver it. It feels very comfortable, very easy. I can back up, I can back in anytime I want. It's going to drive into this park here, and I'll show you the back end feature right now. So for example, I'm coming into space, and let's say I run this, I saw wheels or something. So then I need to pull up into space. Maybe I need to back into this this parking space here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say I need to back into that space. Look at this area. It's kind of like kind of small, right? But again, like I said, if you look in the mirror here, and if you look in the back, ignore this metal grate. There's a lot of rear view that you can see back there, especially with those open windows in the back. So here we go. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. And remember that when you do put it in reverse, you not only have access to the rear windshield and the side mirrors to back in, you also have, again, that digital camera that pops up right here. That again, it's a digital rear view camera, so you see exactly what's behind you, so you don't back in too much and run over the inventory. So again, here I go, as I'm doing, and let's see if I can make it into the space. So again, I'm not even really trying right now, and almost there. Almost. And all right, let's see if let's step out really quick and see if you know, we did a good parking job. Yeah, we definitely did. So again, this car is definitely much more maneuverable than the C8 Corvette, which I'll leave a link in a link for that Corvette video below, and you guys can compare. But again, that was a great parking job. And again, I really understand why this car is again has lasted the test of time for so long. Does not need any redesign. Driving is exactly what you expect it to be, if you expect it to be, again, a moving truck or a work truck. So again, I really love this thing, and if I had a business and I needed, again, to move products to inventory, definitely I'd probably get a fleet of these GMC Savanas. So again, great job, and the pros and cons.